y'all, so we're at the hotel. Just finished getting their makeup done. We're waiting on the other girl. And yeah,
Gotta eat.
you gotta eat. You got to get it done. So we're walking to the Hilton. Okay, and I'm gonna show y'all what the room looks like. And we're gonna hope that it looks like how it's supposed to look. All right. Okay, y'all, so we're here. Going up to the room, about to check in. And it's looking really good. This is the Hilton in Norfolk, if you want to come check it out. Alright, y'all, for the rest of the video, I'm just gonna show you guys the whole photo shoot and then get you guys to see the photos at the end. And you can purchase all of these units from my website. Everything is linked in the bio, and enjoy the shoot.
No limit, got that masterpiece. No limit, baby. Give you that black car. No limit. Just know when you roll with a nigga like me, there's no limit, baby. No limit. I see murder that. No limit, baby. Give you that ghetto D, girl. No limit. Just know when you roll with a nigga like me, there's no limit, baby. So if you've never been, girl, I would just love to take you there. You don't have to worry about a thing. I gotta let me show you.
So y'all, we are leaving the shoot. Successful shoot. I will be posting them. Everybody did really good. And yeah, I chose the right people. And I don't think I can say that, but baddies. So now we're going back to the car and back to regular life.